Ever seen those anime motivation videos blowing up on Instagram? Millions of views, millions of likes. But here's the crazy part. You can steal this exact formula to grow a faceless Instagram page and make $5,000, $10,000, even $20,000 a month without showing your face, filming videos, or even speaking a word. But big creators will never tell you this secret. Why? Because they don't want competition. Let's watch the video, which we will recreate with the help of AI.
To achieve something meaningful in life, you need to go through the lonely chapter.
It's when you no longer fit with old friends, but aren't ready for the new group.
Are they targeting number 10?
In order to change, I have to be something I'm not.
There has always been great warriors. Some fight for love.
If you feel like you're losing everything, remember that trees lose all their leaves every year.
I hate myself more than anyone else. I just...
Grind cause I gotta get paid. 1% chance.
Today, I'm exposing everything. Stick around, because if you skip this video, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table. Let's break it down, step by step. First, the secret code every viral anime motivation video uses. It's not the clips, it's not the music. It's this I'll reveal it in 60 seconds. But before that, let me show you proof this page started 3 months ago. 0 followers, 0 budget. Now, $14,327 last month. All they do? Post these anime videos. And you can too. Here's the kicker. I'll teach you how to steal this strategy in under 10 minutes. But pay attention, miss one step and it won't work. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. The hidden trick to picking anime clips that make people obsessed. Most people get this wrong. You don't need new clips. Smash that like button now if you're ready to start earning. And let's dive deeper. Anime motivational clips aren't just blowing up on TikTok and Instagram, they're also getting millions of views on YouTube Shorts. And the best part? These short videos are making creators thousands of dollars every month. So how do they do it? It's actually super simple. To make a viral anime motivational video, you only need 3 things. A powerful anime clip background music that gives chills and a voiceover with strong emotional words. When you combine these 3 things the right way, you can create a realistic anime motivational video that people love to watch and share. And now I'll show you step by step how to make one from start to finish. So let's jump in and create your first anime motivational short video. First, we need a script for our video. Don't worry, I've got a ready-made prompt for you. All you have to do is copy and paste it. I'll put the full prompt in the video description so you can easily copy it. Now go to a website called deepseek.com. This is where the magic happens. Once you're on the site, paste the prompt into the chat, then hit enter. DeepSeek will read your prompt and give you 5 powerful motivational quotes. From these, we'll pick the best quote to use in our anime motivational video. If you want more options, just ask DeepSeek to generate more quotes using the same prompt. But for now, we'll choose one of the 5 quotes it gave us, and just like that, we've got our script ready. Now that we have our quote, it's time to turn it into a voiceover using AI. Here's how you do it. Go to elevenlabs.io. I've added the link in the description below. Just click the link and it will take you to the website. Once you're on Elevenlabs, you'll see a clean and simple interface. Now click on the voice section, then go to the library tab. Here, you can explore lots of different voices. You can even upload your own voice if you want. But for now, just pick a voice that sounds powerful and motivational. Once you've selected a voice, click the Add to Speech button. Now it's time to paste your motivational quote into the text box. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes, because if there's an error, your credits might be wasted. After checking the quote, hit the Generate Speech button, and boom, your voiceover is ready. As you can see, mine is a 25-second motivational voiceover. Just click the download button and save it to your gallery. Easy, right? Now, if you want to make your voiceover sound even better, here's a bonus tip. Go to Adobe Podcast. It's free and super powerful. Just upload the voiceover you created from Elevenlabs, then click the Enhance button. Adobe will automatically clean up your voice, remove noise, and make it sound more natural and professional. almost like a studio quality voiceover. And yes, it's completely free. Once it's done, just download the enhanced voiceover to your device. Now your voiceover won't sound robotic at all. It'll sound clean, clear, and professional. Now let's talk about the most important part, anime clips. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm giving you access to over 12,000 high-quality anime clips, perfect for your motivational videos. You'll find the link in the description below. Just click the link and you'll see a page that looks like this. From here, you can easily browse and download any anime clip you like. These clips are available for a very small one-time fee, super affordable. And if you choose to support me by buying them, thank you so much. It really helps me keep creating valuable content for you. But wait, if you don't want to pay, don't worry. I'll show you a 100% free method to download anime clips later in this video. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'll reveal it step by step. Now, if you've already bought the clip pack, here's what to do. You'll receive a Google Docs file with all the folders. Just double-click any folder, and you'll find tons of anime clips inside. You can then download them to your device and use them in your videos. There's also a special folder with over 1,200 motivational anime clips, so make sure to check that one out. It's a goldmine. Here's how you can download them. When you open the Google Drive folder, look for the 3 dots, also known as the More Options button. Click on that. You'll see a few options pop up. Just click on the Download button. That's it. Your anime clip will start downloading directly to your phone or computer. For one motivational video, you'll only need around 4 to 5 short clips. So go ahead and download the clips you like best. Once you have your clips ready, we'll move on to the editing part. That's where everything comes to life. Now it's time to edit your video using CapCut, a free and powerful editing tool. First, open CapCut and import your files. Select your voiceover.
These my daddies make it hurt.
Cut out any unwanted parts using the trim option and delete extra pieces by pressing Ctrl+D. Once it's clean, attach the voiceover to your timeline, adjust its position, and press Ctrl+A to select it. Then right-click and choose Create Compound Clip to combine everything into one smooth audio file. Your voiceover is now ready. Next, we'll add the anime clips to bring your video to life. Now that your voiceover is ready, it's time to add the anime clips. Get your clips from Google Drive and import them into CapCut. Place each clip according to your voiceover. Just match the visuals with the audio so it flows smoothly. Adjust the timing of the clips so everything lines up perfectly. Once your clips are set, remove any extra video parts that don't match the voiceover. Now your base video is ready, but the main work is still left, so don't skip. Watch till the end. Next, we'll make the video look even better. Click the top corner Adjust option and a side panel will open. In the Basics section, you can color grade your video. Adjust things like contrast, saturation, and exposure to make your video pop. I use my own custom settings, but you can experiment and find what looks best. A short video with good color grading will always stand out and look more professional. There are many cool effects in CapCut that you can add based on your style. Now our full video is almost ready, but we still need to add captions. Click on the Captions button, then scroll down and choose the Template option. You'll see lots of stylish caption templates. Pick the one you like and click Generate Captions. Your captions will appear automatically and you can edit them if needed. Now one final and very important step is left: background music. A good soundtrack can completely change the feel of your video. You can either use built-in music or go to YouTube and search for Motivational Attitude No Copyright Music. Make sure to use the filter and select Creative Commons to find free-to-use music. Click on the one you like, download it, and add it to your video. After adding the music, make sure to reduce its volume to -20 so that it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Then delete any extra or unwanted parts of the music. Now your final video is ready. Just click on the export button and your video will be saved to your device. You can now post it on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok. To get the best reach, use ChatGPT to generate a catchy title, trending hashtags, and an SEO-optimized description. With this full process, you're all set to grow your Faceless page and go viral. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. Now, as promised, here's how you can get anime clips for free. Go to YouTube and search for anime clips, then use the Creative Commons filter. This way, you won't face any copyright issues. You can download multiple clips and turn them into short motivational videos. Just add a voiceover using a script from DeepSeek, edit the clips to match the voice, and add music. Once everything is ready, post your video on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok, and start growing your Faceless theme page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next engaging video.
Think of discipline like a river carving through rock. It's not one massive force that does the work, but small, consistent actions over time. Your habits, your choices, your daily efforts, these are the currents that shape who you become. Don't resent the slow progress. Trust the process. Even the mightiest canyons were formed drop by drop.